Hey there guys, today we'll be painting Xiao Liu from Reaper Miniatures to the core level standard. First thing we'll do is get a scalpel or other sharp blade and gently trim the casting line off the model. Make sure you take care during this step to avoid injury. I've base coated the whole model here with linen white using my airbrush, but you can do this by hand if you prefer. Take some fair skin and use this to paint her hands and face. Now we'll get the messy stuff out of the way. Mix Heartwood brown and fair skin together on your palette and dilute it till it's about the consistency of milk. Wash this over the whole model and have a cup of tea while you wait for it to dry. When the wash is dried, take some linen white again and wipe most of the paint off your brush on an old rag. Lightly brush this over the model to bring out the raised details. Try to avoid her skin areas if you can, but if a tiny amount gets on her face or hands, just paint over it again with fair skin. Paint her base with a mix of pure black and linen white. Coat her staff with Heartwood brown. Finally, paint her belt and her hair with pure black. And with that, the model is done. Now don't forget to like and subscribe, check out our other videos, and we will see you soon.